Luxury apartments of Seoul, Korea. The opulent luxury that can only be afforded by a select few is mirrored in the exquisite beauty and intricate design of the mansions that these select few either own or rent. There is no location on earth where this is more obvious than in the pricey metropolis of Seoul, where the only people who can enjoy spaces in the city's most exclusive areas are millionaires and those who have high-earning occupations. If you are interested and have the financial means, you should make it a point to investigate the most opulent areas of Seoul in which people reside. Let's get into the topic. 1. HANNAM Royal. To begin, the name Beverly Hills of Korea has been given to the most expensive apartment complex in Seoul, which is located in South Korea. Why is it the case? Mainly due to the fact that this vertical residence is situated in close proximity to both the Han River and Namsan Mountain. The complex can be found in close proximity to the Hannam-dong subway station. The facilities that they provide are both extremely comprehensive and naturally luxurious. There is a 4-step verification security system that you must go through whenever you enter the building. The access control system can be utilized in high-end dining rooms, golf courses, swimming pools, and party areas. According to 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗏, RM and Jimin purchased one of the apartments located in this building in the month of March 2021. They each spent around $5.7 million, approximately Rp 82.6 billion, and $5.3 million, approximately Rp 76.8 billion, in cash that they had made. RM's apartment unit is more expensive than Jimin's, despite the fact that both units have the exact same square footage. This is due to the fact that the flat that RM purchased comes equipped with a veranda patio. The apartment that RM and Jimin share have a study room and 3 bedrooms, one of which is a master bedroom, a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen. In addition, there is a separate room that serves as a laundry room. Every flat features a bathroom outfitted with a deep soaking tub. In addition to that, there is also a fairly sizable area for change. 2. HANNAM the Hill. Moreover, armies are fully aware of the fact that one of the most costly apartments in South Korea is well within their reach. Since 2017, all of the members of BTS have been residing in the same home in HANNAM the Hill. The previous title holder for the most expensive apartment complex in South Korea in 2015 to 2020 was this particular complex. The flat unit, which is said to have an area of about 200 square meters, may be seen in some of the corners of the flat unit in multiple episodes of Run BTS, V-Live, and BTS response videos at the Grammy Awards nominations on Twitter, and the music video for Life Goes On. The majority of performers and idols choose to live in apartment complexes. Of course, the primary reason why they live in such close proximity to their place of employment and safety. BTS spent $3.7 million to purchase an apartment in HANNAM the Hill that was 206.21 square meters in size and had a total area of 206.21 square feet. The cost of the flat is equal to IDR 50.4 billion when expressed in the local currency, the rupiah. As it turned out, Jin had already owned this flat before purchasing it again. He paid $1.78, about Rp 24.2 billion, for an apartment in the same location in March of 2018 when he made the purchase. A fitness center, swimming pool, tennis court, golf course, and garden are among the amenities that guests have access to when staying at HANNAM the Hill. Residents will have little trouble finding grocery stores and eating establishments there. Therefore, you shouldn't be astonished if the most recent news claims that the price of a single unit can reach 7.75 billion won, 98 billion Indonesian rupiah, to 8 billion won, 101 billion Indonesian rupiah, at a size of 243,642 square meters or more. The apartment complex itself may be found in the neighborhood of Seongsu-dong, which was formerly a manufacturing center but has since been transformed into a posh residential neighborhood. 3. Seoul Forest TRIMAGE. After that, J-Hope made the decision to purchase an apartment that was one of the most costly in South Korea in 2016. It is said that he bought a second apartment on the same day that Jungkook bought the first one, since the panoramic view of the Han River that can be seen from his apartment window is one of his favorite things about living there. According to 𝗥𝗶𝗶𝗏, the flat unit that J-Hope and Jungkook share is even on the same floor as one. According to E! Today, Jungkook also purchased a two-story mansion in Itaewon in November 2020 for the equivalent of $7 million in United States dollars, which is more than 101.4 billion Indonesian rupiah. Jaejung of JYJ, Lee Took of Super Junior, Yoonhyuk and Lee Donghee of Super Junior, Seo Kang-joon of Girls' Generation, and Hyoyeon and Sunny of Girls' Generation are just some of the South Korean artists who have purchased flat units in Seoul Forest TRIMAGE. In addition to being a popular place for famous actors and musicians to live, Seoul Forest TRIMAGE is also a popular place for famous athletes and other public figures to call home. 4. HANNAM RIVERHILL. Both Suga and V are originally from Daegu. However, in contrast to the other members of BTS, they decided to purchase separate apartment complexes. According to the 14F YouTube account for MBC, Suga reportedly purchased a home in HANNAM RIVERHILL in August of 2018 for the equivalent of around $3 million or 43.5 billion Indonesian rupiah. This flat can be found in HANNAM, South Korea's United Nations village, which is the most expensive neighborhood in all of Seoul, South Korea. According to rumors, Suga moved into his new home just lately, despite the fact that he purchased the property back in August. This would make him the second member of BTS to own the property. 5. 𝗏𝗂𝗡𝗚. According to Lifestyle Asia, V decided to purchase 𝗏𝗂𝗡𝗚's flat in Gangnam in 2019 for $4.55 million, which is equivalent to around Rp.66 billion. It is said that V purchased this home of 282.73 square meters with cash or no credit at all. V's flat window offered a breathtaking panorama of the Han River, which he could admire whenever he peered out the door. This building wasn't finished until 2008, and it only has 17 flats in it now. V and other prominent artists in South Korea, such as actors Lee Byung-hun and Jang Dong-gun, have chosen this property because of its high level of luxury and the privacy it provides. Conclusion. The occupants of luxury apartments in Seoul, Korea, may expect the highest possible levels of comfort, convenience, and richness from their living arrangements. These apartments have enormous living areas, high ceilings, large windows with stunning views of the city, and modern, high-end finishes throughout the unit. They come furnished with cutting-edge home appliances, such as cutting-edge heating and cooling systems, top-of-the-line kitchen appliances, and high-speed internet connections, among other cutting-edge home amenities. A large number of Seoul's luxury apartments provide inhabitants with a variety of convenient amenities, including fitness centers, swimming pools, outdoor spaces, and round-the-clock concierge services, to meet their various needs. The prime locations of the luxury apartments in Seoul are one of the most appealing aspects of these kinds of flats. Many of them are located in the middle of the city, providing convenient access to a number of the most popular restaurants, stores, and entertainment venues. Because they are situated close to many forms of public transportation, it is convenient for people to move about the city. The rapidly expanding economy and the generally high standard of life in Seoul are two of the primary factors driving the city's real estate market. The demand for luxury apartments is expected to remain high as an increasing number of individuals aspire to live in comfort and style. The city's real estate market is known for its consistency as well as its potential for growth, which is another reason why investors are drawn to the city. In general, the luxury apartments in Seoul, Korea, provide residents with a one-of-a-kind living experience that mixes lavishness, practicality, and comfort. These apartments are a tribute to the city's strong economy and vibrant culture because of their ideal locations, modern amenities, and smart design. Alright, folks. That's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you liked the video, and make sure to hit the bell button to be alert whenever we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.